Welcome to our guide on how to lock Telegram on your PC. Let's ensure the security of your Telegram account with these steps. To begin, open telegram.com in your web browser. Once the website loads, locate and click on the three lines icon situated at the top left corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu options, select Settings to access the various customization features available for your Telegram account. Within the Settings menu, navigate to and click on Privacy and Security to manage the security settings of your account. Under the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Local Passcode to set up a unique passcode for accessing Telegram on your PC. Make sure to click on Enable Passcode to activate this security feature. Next, enter your preferred passcode into the designated field. For added security, re-enter the passcode to confirm and ensure accuracy. To finalize the process, click on Save Passcode to apply and save your settings. Your Telegram app on PC is now securely locked with the local passcode you have set up. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance the security of your Telegram account on your PC and protect your personal information. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe and secure online.